on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Done dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. Done fucking with you, don't know how to love me. Done dealing with you, so it seemed like I get so much, I don't get nothing back. I really thought it was love, but you're so fucking whack. Always get caught up in love, but now.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, y'all, it's been a minute. I know. But we are back. My birthday is in 3 days. 3 days, okay? And right now we doing a birthday prep tonight. Well, today is, I have no idea, but today is Thursday. My birthday's Sunday. And we about to do toes, hair, well, the first wig, because the second wig, I'm gonna put that on Saturday or Friday night. But the first wig, we're putting that on tonight, doing my eyebrows and feet. We're gonna put this feet mask on, foot mask on, and yeah, put this foot mask on, and then get in the tub. So, cause I went to work today, that's why I look mess. Went to work. So put these on. Should I put these on first? I didn't get in the tub or get in the tub. No, put these on so I can wash whatever this is off. Put these on for 20 minutes, it says. And yeah, so we're gonna put these on for 20 minutes. Get in the tub, then get to the face, to the hair, to the toes. Okay? So stay tuned. And yeah, y'all, let's get into it. It is cold. Also, y'all, I've been practicing makeup, so I'm about to wash all my brushes so they can be fresh for my birthday, because I've been just mixing and playing in it, but I'm getting the hang of it. I probably didn't practice about 3 times, y'all. 3 times. One was too ashy, so I went to go get a different concealer, and then I'll show y'all my recent one that I did, and that's with the new concealer. Yeah. Only thing I need to nail down is the, I don't know, because I've been doing good. So, I don't know. It's me finding a lip combo that works for my skin tone. I got a new lip, but I want like a pink lip. So, I bought, I bought this NYX gloss in Eclair, whatever. Yeah, bought this one. I got about 3-4 these now. I got Fudge Me, Cinnamon, this one, and probably another one. But yeah, that's what I've been doing, plenty of makeup, and I'm getting the hang of it pretty quick. Not much to it. It's just a beat in your face for me, and blending and all of that. Like, that is so time consuming, but hey. So yeah, y'all, now still waiting on the bath water. Still got my feet soaking. About to put these brushes in this water real quick. Check on the water. We putting the brushes in separate water, then we're gonna go check on the bath water. Okay.
It seemed like I get so much, I don't get nothing back. I really thought it was love, but you're so fucking whack. Always get caught up in love, but now you know with that. I can't get caught up in love, so now yeah. Flexing on my ex.
Okay, y'all, so my timer just went off. I got my brushes clean. They're a little stained up, but hey, whatever. Got my brushes clean. Now I'm about to go check on my water and take these foot masks off.
It seemed like I get so much, I don't get nothing back. I really thought it was love, but you're so fucking whack. Always get caught up in love, but now you know with that. I can't get caught up in love, so now yeah. Flexing on my exes and my Model X. Pretty little, skinny little, bitty body Model X. Some of y'all ain't never had no real bitch and it shows. I keep it 100 from my head down to my toes. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the move. Touchdown in my hometown, got nothing to lose. I am on my own now, I am in control now. I need you to go now, I can fix my own crown. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. I'm dealing with you, so it seemed like I get so much, I don't get nothing back. I really thought it was love, but you're so fucking whack. Always get caught up in love, but now you know with that. I can't get caught up in love, so now yeah. Flexing on my exes and my Model X. Pretty little, skinny little, bitty body Model X. Some of y'all ain't never had no real bitch and it shows. I keep it 100 from my head down to my toes. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the move. Touchdown in my hometown, got nothing to lose. I am on my own now, I am in control now. I need you to go now, I can fix my own crown. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. I'm dealing with you, so it seemed like I get so much, I don't get nothing back. I really thought it was love, but you're so fucking whack. Always get caught up in love, but now you know with that. I can't get caught up in love, so now yeah. Flexing on my exes and my Model X. Pretty little, skinny little, bitty body Model X. Some of y'all ain't never had no real bitch and it shows. I keep it 100 from my head down to my toes. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the move. Touchdown in my hometown, got nothing to lose. I am on my
Hey y'all, so I'm basically done. Oh, I forgot to show you my house, but I'm basically done. Got my wig on. Still gotta do her locks, but that ain't nothing. My toes. Excuse the floor because I've been combing out her. Had to do, oh my gosh, had to do my braid down and all that. These the toes. All this hair on the floor. I need to get up, but yeah, these toes. Period. Yep. Now I'm about to clean up in here real quick. Don't got time. It's always her. Yeah, y'all. So good night. I'll see y'all tomorrow in the morning when I style my hair. And yeah, got the fit on. Tomorrow I'm gonna be filming 2 separate, really 3 separate vlogs. Tomorrow we're going to brunch, which don't got nothing to do with this video. But yeah, I get my nails done tomorrow, so that's what we're gonna be doing tomorrow. Nails tomorrow. And take this wig off, put the other birthday wig on. There we go. So good night, y'all. And I'll see y'all tomorrow. So it is the next day. And I'm about to do my hair, put some curls in it. I don't got no course.
That was so fun. Can we watch a movie? This? Like,
Hey y'all, so I am on my way to my nail appointment. I missed it yesterday, unfortunately, but she's allowed me to come back today and no little extra fee or whatever. So I'm coming back today. And yeah, I'm almost there. After this, my birthday prep will be complete. I got everything done. And I put some 2 gems in, and the reviews was reviewing. Like, when they say they don't last, they don't freaking last. Like, I've had mine on since last night, so probably like 12 hours. One didn't already came out, but it is also how you place your glue. If your glue starts to run like on your gums, of course it's not gonna last long because your gums are wet, and it depends what you eat. I just drank some pickle juice, and it literally just was like coming out. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all my 2 gems, and then it will be complete because I'm a Gemini. Alright, so yeah, 2 gems. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna show y'all my nails, and then we're gonna get on to the birthday weekend vlog. Hey y'all, so nails is done, period. And I'm on my way home. And when I get there, I'm gonna show y'all my nails all the way and put my tooth gem back in. And that concludes the birthday prep. I got my real wig on for my birthday also. I didn't get to show y'all me putting that on because it was just too much. But yeah, curly bust down, not bust down, side part bust down, 34-inch with the bang gang. But yeah, y'all. So I'm gonna see y'all when I get home. Yeah, period. Christina to her thing, girl. Yeah, period. So yeah, we on the way home. Might take a little nap now, and we gonna get this weekend sorted, girl. So yeah. This my nails. Forgot to show y'all when I get nails. But yeah, y'all. Like, comment, and subscribe, and that is all for my birthday prep, and we are on to